So first of all, you have to open Play Store application from your phone. Download and install the Soul browser. After installation, open it. And then you will see an interface like this. Now tap on Google and then tap on sign in. And then you will land here. And here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. Then here Google will ask you to enter your password. You have already forgotten your password. Simply tap on forgot password. Then Google has sent a verification code to your same Gmail account. It is asking you to enter that code here. So you don't have access to that Gmail account, tap on try another way. And then you will land here. And here you will see Google needs more info to verify it's you. It means Google could not confirm that you are the owner of the account. This usually happens when there is not enough information to verify your identity. Simply minimize from here. Now go to setting, scroll down, and then here you will see Google. Tap on it, and then you will land here. And here you will see Google services. At the top right side, you will see 3 dots. Tap on it, and then here help option will appear. Tap on it, and then you will see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on it, and then you will land here. Scroll down, and then you will see avoid getting locked out of your Google account. Tap on it, scroll down, and then you will see if you sign in with just a password. Tap on it. Then you will see sign in with your phone instead of a password. Tap on it, and then you will land here. Scroll down, and then you will see learn how to see devices with account access. Tap on it, scroll down, and then you will see Gmail security and privacy setting. Tap on it, and then you will land here. Now top left side you will see menu bar. Tap on it. Now tap on Gmail, and then you will land here. Scroll down. Here in the bottom you will see help option. Tap on it, and here you will see Google account. Tap on it, and then you will land here. Scroll down, and then you will see account recovery. Tap on it, and then you will see change or reset your password. Tap on it, scroll down, and then you will see someone changed your password. Tap on it, and then you will see recover your account. Tap on it, scroll down, and then you will see account recovery page. Tap on it, and then you will land here. And here you will see account recovery. Recover your Google account. Now enter the Gmail account that you want to recover, and then tap on next. And then here success option will appear. Further you will see here 2 options. Update password, continue. Simply tap on update password, and then you will land here on password change dashboard. Now here you have to set a strong password. First of all, you have to decide your new password. and then you have to confirm your new password, and then tap on save password, and then tap on change password. Now you will see that your Gmail account has been fully recovered and is signed in. Now quickly go to the account security section and update your mobile number and recovery email. The benefit of this is that if you ever forget your Gmail password in the future, you will be able to recover it very easily. Thank you for watching this video.